Hi, I'm Decker. I'm a moral supportist at the Econ Tutoring Center, and today we're going to go over different examples of elasticity of demand. Now keep in mind, some of our terminology may differ from some of your professors, but it's okay because it's generally more or less the same thing. Thank you. So for this example, we're going to already assume that you know how to do the equation, and we're just going to really focus on interpreting the numbers that we get from it. So keep in mind, some instructors or professors will not use the negative number for elasticity of demand, and will use the absolute value instead. So this tutorial, we are using the negative. So assuming we already know how to do the actual calculation, we're going to interpret what numbers we actually get. But if you do need something to refer to, please look back on the previous video. So how can we interpret the following elasticity of demand? Well, let's say we've already done the calculation and we get elasticity of demand equals to -3. So what does that really mean? Well, it means if there's a 1% change in price, there will be a 3% change in quantity demanded. And then let's get a little more specific. So let's say there is a 1% increase in price. There will be a 3% decrease of quantity demanded. And then what if there is a 1% decrease in price? There will be a 3% increase of quantity demanded. And with this increase and decrease, we can call this elastic, because you can see if there's a 1% increase or decrease, there is a 3% increase or decrease to quantity demanded, and which that would just be elastic. So it would just be big changes in price and quantity demanded. So as you can see, there would just be a big change in quantity demanded when price is changing. Now looking at a different equation, what if we get -1 for our elasticity of demand? Well, we know that for every 1% change in price, we are going to get a 1% change in quantity demanded. So if there is a 1% price change, say it's going up, there will be a 1% decrease in quantity demanded. Again, it's sort of an inverse operation, so what if there's a 1% decrease in price? There's also going to be a 1% increase in quantity demanded. This unit elastic. Now let's say we get a 0.5 for elasticity of demand. Now what that means, again, is if there's a 1% change in price, there's going to be a 0.5 change in quantity demanded. And to get things a little more specific, if there is a 1% price increase, say this is a change, a positive price increase change, there will be a 0.5% decrease in quantity demanded. Again, you're starting to see a little bit of a pattern here. If there is a 1% decrease in price, there will be a 0.5% increase in quantity demanded. Now, as you can see, the quantity demanded shift by barely about 0.5%, so it's not a whole lot. So what we call this is inelastic. So here we're going to take a look at this little chart. This is actually real world examples. As you can see, the restaurant meals elasticity of demand is negative 1.63. So that's fairly elastic. For every 1% change, there's going to be a 1.63% change in quantity demanded. Now looking at houses, we can see that there's a 1% change in quantity demanded for every change in price in percentage. So that would be considered unit elastic. And then there's alcohol, which is a negative 0.92% change in quantity demanded. And as you can see, that's not even a full 1%. So that's fairly inelastic. So to sum up this chart of different goods, we have restaurant meals, which is elastic. We'll have housing, which is unit elastic, and then we'll have alcohol, which is inelastic. So I hope this kind of helped clarify a few things today. If not, feel free to come over to the Econ Tutoring Center and we'll be more than happy to kind of help you work through these, or leave a comment down below and we'll try to get back to you on that. Thank you.